P0023 is a generic OBD2 trouble code indicating a fault in the B camshaft position actuator circuit for bank 2. This typically refers to the exhaust camshaft actuator on the engine bank opposite cylinder 1, usually the passenger side in V6 V8 engines. The B designation commonly identifies the exhaust side. In essence, your car's computer has detected an issue with how the exhaust camshaft timing is being controlled on that engine bank. Camshaft position actuators are solenoid valves that serve as crucial components in variable valve timing systems. These actuators control the timing of the exhaust camshaft in the engine. They adjust valve timing dynamically based on engine load and speed conditions. This optimization improves engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reduces emissions. However, a faulty actuator can disrupt this entire timing process. Several symptoms may indicate a P0023 code. These include rough idling, reduced engine performance, an illuminated check engine light, and potential stalling. You might also notice a decrease in fuel efficiency, potentially 10 to 20%. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe engine damage over time. The P0023 diagnostic trouble code can arise from various issues affecting the camshaft position actuator circuit on bank 2. These problems typically fall into two main categories: electrical faults and mechanical issues. The engine control module detects the fault when the actuator's response is abnormal. Electrical problems are common causes of the P0023 code. These include shorted wiring in the actuator circuit, which can interrupt the electrical signals needed for proper operation. A faulty solenoid valve, which controls oil flow to the actuator, is another frequent culprit. The engine control module detects these issues when electrical resistance or continuity is abnormal. Mechanical issues can also trigger the P0023 code. Low oil pressure is a key factor, as the actuator relies on pressurized oil to function. Without adequate pressure, the actuator cannot adjust camshaft timing properly. Clogged oil passages are another mechanical cause. When oil galleries become blocked by sludge or debris, oil cannot reach the actuator, causing it to fail. This often occurs in engines with neglected maintenance. A stretched timing chain can also lead to the P0023 code. As the chain wears and elongates, it affects camshaft timing, causing the actuator to struggle maintaining proper valve timing. This mechanical wear typically requires timing system replacement. In all these cases, the engine control module detects the fault by monitoring the actuator's response. When the camshaft position doesn't change as commanded, the P0023 code is stored, and the check engine light illuminates. Diagnosing a P0023 code begins with scanning for any other trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. This helps identify if there are related issues affecting the camshaft position actuator circuit. Next, visually inspect the wiring harnesses and connectors for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. These components are critical for the actuator circuit's electrical integrity. Test the camshaft position actuator solenoid resistance using a multimeter. Normal readings should be between 10 and 20 ohms. Abnormal resistance indicates a faulty solenoid that needs replacement. Verify the engine oil level and pressure. Low oil pressure or insufficient oil can prevent the camshaft actuator from functioning properly. Oil pressure should be above 20 psi at idle. For advanced diagnosis, use an oscilloscope to analyze the actuator circuit's waveform. This helps pinpoint electrical signals and timing issues that may not be detected by basic testing. Repairing a P0023 code typically starts with solenoid replacement, where the faulty camshaft position actuator solenoid is swapped out. This electrical component controls valve timing and costs between $200 and $600, including labor, when diagnosed properly. If sludge is present, an oil change using the correct viscosity and a quality filter can often clear the code. Low-quality oil or extended change intervals can clog passages, affecting actuator performance. For more severe cases involving mechanical issues, timing components like the chain or tensioner may need repair or replacement. This is a costly fix but prevents further engine damage from worn timing systems. Regardless of the fix, always refer to manufacturer-specific service bulletins for your vehicle model to ensure correct procedures and avoid warranty issues. The P0023 code appears in various vehicle models with specific common causes. In GM 3.6L V6 engines found in Chevrolet Malibu models, solenoid failure from oil sludge buildup is a frequent issue affecting the actuator circuit. Ford 5.0L V8 engines in Mustang vehicles often experience P02T3 due to wiring harness corrosion, particularly in areas with high humidity. Honda Accord models with 2.4-liter i4 engines can show P0023 from ECU software glitches, which are sometimes resolved through manufacturer software updates. These examples highlight that P0023 diagnosis should always be tailored to the specific vehicle make and model for accurate troubleshooting. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding P0023 issues. Regular oil changes using high-quality oil can prevent sludge buildup in the engine. Oil sludge can block critical passages in the engine, leading to actuator circuit failures and P0023 codes. In the future, predictive maintenance through connected car platforms will alert drivers to potential P002T3 issues before they escalate. The rise of electric vehicles will reduce the need for ICE diagnostics, as EVs lack components prone to P023 issues. For remaining ICE vehicles, advanced AI-driven analytics will improve fault isolation. Meanwhile, DIY diagnostics through apps are becoming more popular for checking issues like P0023.